We don't get into an accident and think we're going to end up in court 2 years later trying to prove our case. But the reality is, people lie about what happened, people's stories change, and the insurance company is going to do all they can to say you're not really that injured. Here are 5 crucial steps you can take at the scene of an accident to protect yourself. Step number 1, check for injuries and call the police. Immediately after the accident happens, check yourself and your passengers to make sure no one has life-threatening injuries. And as soon as possible, move to a safe place on the road and call the police. The police can make sure that the proper documentation is exchanged between the parties, and they can document any witnesses that are on scene that saw what happened and issue any citations they need to for the at-fault party. Step number 2, collect as much information as you can at the scene of the accident. Now, you've already called the police and they might be on the way. You might feel more comfortable staying inside your vehicle until the police show up, and that's fine. If for whatever reason it's taking a long time for the police to get there, or the police say they're not coming to the scene, collect as much information as you can. That includes the driver's license of the person that hit you, insurance information for the vehicle that was at fault for the accident. If there's any witnesses that stuck around or are on the scene, try to get some sort of statement from them or get some sort of information that you can contact them, whether it's a cell phone, address, any information you can. If the other driver is willing to admit fault at the scene of the accident, try and get that documented as well, whether that be a short video of them admitting responsibility, or even have them jot down on a piece of paper and have them sign that they're at fault for the accident. As much information as you can get is imperative because, like we said, people's stories change, and sometimes people lie about what happened to their insurance company later on. Also, again, if the police don't take photographs at the scene, make sure that you get photographs not only of your own property damage, but of the damage to any other vehicles involved. Next, seek out any medical attention that you need, whether that's going to the hospital or an urgent care. The sooner you can get in for treatment of your injuries, the better for your health and the better for documentation purposes for the accident. Step number 4, contact your insurance company. Even if you're not at fault for the accident, it's a good idea to contact your insurance company and let them know what happened, especially if you want to get a move on getting your vehicle repaired. If your insurance company wants what's called a recorded statement about what happened in the accident, it's a good idea to hold off on that until you have the proper legal representation. Which leads me to the final step of contacting a personal injury attorney. A personal injury attorney can help you navigate the next days, weeks, or months after the accident happens. There's many benefits of hiring a personal injury attorney, and the sooner you can do that, the better. Number 1, if you don't feel comfortable contacting your insurance company or the at-fault driver's insurance company, a personal injury attorney can handle all of that for you. We send them a letter of representation and give them all the information they need regarding the accident and what happened. Number 2, we can get you set up for any additional medical treatment that you need. Whether that's with a chiropractor, a medical doctor, or physical therapist, we will help you get set up for continued treatment for any pain that you're having. We will also help you follow up on any other remaining information or evidence that's out there that we need to collect. We'll get a copy of the police report on your behalf. We'll follow up on any witness statements, videos, photographs, or any other information that may be needed on your behalf. Number 4, we'll follow up on making sure the other driver's insurance has accepted responsibility for the accident. We'll get information about what coverages are available, and we'll get working on setting you up in a rental, getting your vehicle repaired, or getting your total loss paid out. And finally, we'll make sure that you're getting the ongoing medical care that you need. And once you're done treating, we'll get all your bills and records together and send a demand to the insurance company and negotiate a fair settlement for you. So if you have any other questions about what to do after an accident, or if you've had an accident and you need to know what to do next, give Kaplan Law Group a call at 702-381-8888.